For our first calculation, we're going to do body mass index, or BMI. So basically, BMI equals your weight in pounds times 703 divided by your height in inches squared. So one example is myself. I'll do, so I weigh 150 pounds times 703, divide that by 71 inches squared. We then have 105,450 all over 5,045, which gives me a BMI of 20.9. So just to let you know what the standards are is below 18.5 is underweight, from 18.5 to 24.9 is healthy or normal weight, 25 to 29.9 is overweight, and 30 and above is obese. So you really want to be between 18.5 and 24.9, otherwise you kind of get into some health issues. Okay, so for our next calculation, we're going to do ideal body weight. This is just an estimation of what your body weight should be. There's two sets of calculations, one's for males and one's for females. So we're first going to start off with a simple conversion because it's in kilograms. So 1 kilogram typically equals 2.2 pounds. So the calculation for males equals 50 kilograms plus 2.3 kilograms times inches greater than 5 feet. So what this means is if you're 6 feet tall, you're 12 inches over 5 feet, so you would do 12 times 3.5 plus the 50 kilograms to get your ideal body weight. The other calculation is for females. This is 45.5 kilograms plus 2.3 kilograms over 5 feet also. So simple calculation is, once again, we'll do myself. Males equals 50 kilograms plus 2.3 times 11, which then equals 50 plus 25.3, which is then 75.3. Then you're going to do your conversion, so you do times that by 2.2. So my ideal body weight is about 166 pounds.
Okay, we're going to measure the waist to hip ratio. First, for the waist measurement, you want to measure between the iliac crest and the last palpable rib. So when you want to find that, measure around. Is 31 centimeters. And then for the hip ratio, you want to measure around the widest part of the hips. So once you can find them, measure around 5.5. Alright, and to get the ratio, divide the waist by the hips. And then for Lenny, his numbers were 31 divided by 35.5, which was about 87. With the measurements for males, excellent would be 0.85, good would be 0.85 to 0.9, average would be 0.9 to 0.95, high would be 0.95 to 1, and extremes would be anything greater than 1. For the females, acceptables, anything less than 0.75, good would be 0.75 to 0.8, average would be 0.8 to 0.85, high would be 0.85 to 0.9, and then the other extreme would be anything greater than 0.9. Okay. Alright, for the skin fold technique, it's to measure the percent of body fat. You want to use the sum of 9 sides, which are the chest, the abdomen, the thigh, the bicep, the tricep, the subscapularis, the suprailiac, the lower back, and the calf. You multiply that by 27 and divide all of that by body weight in pounds. When you're measuring them, you want to measure the chest. You want to pinch the chest. Sorry, Lenny. Off. 5. Abdomen. Thigh. Bicep. Tricep. Subscapularis. Shit. Suprailiac. Give me that cheeks, boy. Lower back. And the calf. Okay, so after taking the sum of all 9 sides, we got 62 times 27 over the body weight, which is 150 pounds. And then we got 1,674 all over 150. And then at the end, he was 11.16% body fat. The percentages for body fat can vary by age and size of the person. For the males, roughly around our age, the ideal lean would be 2 to 6% body fat. Ideal would be between 7 and 13. Average would be between 14 and 20. And then above average would be between 21 to 25% body fat. For females around our age, the lean would be between 11% body fat and about 17% body fat. Ideal would be between 18 and 23%. Average would be 23 to 30, and then anything above 30% would be considered above average.